5 Best 3D Printers. Number 5. MakerBot Replicator Mini Plus. Print bigger models up to 4 inch by 5 inch by 5 inch. The redesigned Z-Stage. Refined gantry, improved precision. Reliability through stiffer materials to ensure consistent performance. With the new grip surface. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. LuxBot 6. Self-leveling, self-cleaning. The LuxBot 6 features modular toolhead design, flexible and multi-material upgrades, open source hardware product, superb build quality and reliability. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Kitty X12. X12 is complete set 3D printer. Simple unboxing operation. It achieves heating function. Support printing ABS-PLA filament. Printing size 140 mm. Heated aluminum build platform. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. O3D WoX DP200. Offers automatic loading. Insert a cartridge. 3D WoX will do the rest. Assists user and bed leveling. 5-inch LCD screen equipped. Standard VGA driver on operating system. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Flashforge Creator Pro. Aviation level aluminum plate. Thickness of 6.3 mm guarantee. Enclosed chamber insulates. Prevent platform arm from deforming. Works particularly well with ABS. Item weight, 45.9 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price.